So I have to watch them because even though they just peed and pooed not too long ago, I have to keep an eye on them because they're... I wanted to come on today and talk about my new bag. It's a reveal on a pre-loved bag. It's the Louis Vuitton Estrela new model NM. So I wanted to quickly come on and tell you that I got this bag and do a quick first impression. I wore it a couple times now. Little backstory. My very first luxury handbag that I got was a Louis Vuitton Estrela, and it's the old model with the vachetta leather. And I bought it was a gift from my brother and sister. And instead of keeping that, I had it for like a day. I didn't even wear it. I saw it and I thought, wow, this is really big. Let me see what else they have. And they were okay. They said, you know, if you don't like it, exchange it for something else that you do like. So I did go to Louis Vuitton store, and instead of getting that one bag for that money plus a little more, I was able to get two bags at that time. And I got the Syracuse PM and the Louis Vuitton horizontal Batignon, which I have done reviews on. But anyway, both of them I don't own anymore. So when I saw this at a local consignment store, this Estrela NM, well, let me back up again. When Christy, she also have an online shop, and I bought stuff from that online shop before. And this is not, by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but you know, if you haven't checked out her store, I would recommend just go take a look. But Christy did a review. She had this and she did a review on it, and I thought, wow, that is great. But at the time it was, I want to say it was around $2,200, and I wasn't sure. And in the meantime, I thought maybe I wanted the totally, and then I had that, and then I sold that. And then I thought maybe I wanted the Iena or Iena MN, and I had that for less than a year, and I sold that. I barely used it. I was so worried about the corner because it was corner wear because it was so sharp, and I was worried that, you know, the canvas would be worn off, and because similar bags had problems. So I sold that before it even got any kind of wear, period. And then I hadn't had a tote bag, and the tote bag that I did get was a pre-loved Chanel Grand Shopping tote. And it's got like three different areas, three different compartments, and I really like a bag. I figured out that I really like a bag that's completely open. And when this came up at a local consignment shop, I just couldn't pass it up. They had it for $1,700, and then it kept dropping in price, and I ended up getting it. You ready for this? I ended up getting it for $1,000, which is a fantastic price. There's slight wear and here on the corner, but not bad. And other than that, it's in really good shape. There's no odor. The inside looks great. And by the way, I have the Speedy 30 Smorga organizer inside, and it fits perfectly. I had the Speedy 30 organizer from when I used to have the Speedy B30, which I no longer have. I have the Speedy B25. That worked out better for me. But the Speedy B30 organizer fits beautifully in this bag. This bag is not as big as my Longchamp Neo Le Pliage large. But I like having the organizer because it's bright red and I can see what's in it. Otherwise, it's dark black. I like the fact that it's black leather here because it's very neutral. And the fact that it is sort of not completely weatherproof because it is leather, but it's not as like prone to the watermarks as the vachetta leather is. So I loved it. It's light, relatively light for how big it is. I am carrying, it can be worn over the shoulder. This goes over the shoulder very nicely like that. And I'll show you what the drop of this is. So the drop of this shoulder strap is, it's 8.5 inches. I'm just measuring it now, 8.5 inches, which makes it really nicely. It goes over my shoulder really nicely. Otherwise, it can go and crook of my arm, and it's not so long that it uncomfortable to put it in the crook of my arm. Okay, I see. And there is a long strap to wear a crossbody. The problem with this strap that I see is that it's adjustable and it can be detachable. But the problem that I see with this long strap is that considering how big this tote bag is and how much I can carry in it, the width of this is very narrow. The width of this, so that if it's really heavy, if I have it completely filled up, the width of this is only half an inch. Only half an inch. So half an inch, like pressing on your shoulder, would be a lot of weight. So I like having the two straps here together. But in case, if I needed to wear this crossbody, I can. So I like that option. There is no pocket in front or the back, like the Iana had a pocket in the front. And the Totally has two side pockets, which I didn't like the two side pockets because I didn't know where I put my phone. This one is just a big pocket in here. That's a pocket. I don't know if you can see that. And there are two pockets here. And the date code is in one of those pockets. This one was, and there's a D-ring right here. Right here is a D-ring, which I never use a D-ring, so I don't know. There's the key. I like the fact that this is a shiny gold color rather than the dull gold color. And the what is it? Zipper hardware is all shiny and really good quality. And the zipper is so smooth. It's so smooth. Look at that. It's so smooth. It's so nice. And it's got two zippers to be able to close either direction. Here's a clochette with a key because it can be locked. And you could put the lock right here and lock it. There's a little hole right here, and you can put the lock through to lock it completely. So that would be nice for additional security. Considering it's 2015, these have not curled up like sometimes the kettle leather could be curled up. So far, hiya. Do you want me to? And I will do a measurement for you. Ouch! You just bit me. Okay. So I'll try to do a measurement for you. The height of this is, let's see, height is 11 inches in height. The width here on the top is 18 inches in width, and width at the bottom, 12 and a half inches in width. Okay, does it fit my laptop? Let me go check. Okay, so no problem fitting my laptop, which is a 13.3 or something inch MacBook Pro. That fits beautifully, no problem. Now, does it fit into my, you know what? It also fit inside my bag organizer too. I put it outside the bag organizer, my Speedy B30 bag organizer, thinking that it doesn't fit. Ooh, they're fine. So this could be a really nice work bag. So that is my quick video, and I hope you found this helpful. As I use this more, I think I'm gonna love it. The question is, what bag do I let go? Because I don't want to have too many bags, so when I bring one in, I gotta think about what can I let go. And the problem is, I like all my bags right now. Anyway, if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Woo. And consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification so that you will be notified every time I upload more videos. Okay, bye. Okay.